Good morning everyone, another beautiful day has started here in province. Simple morning like this remind me that life doesn't always need to be fast, noisy or complicated, sometimes peace is enough. Habang unti-unting sumisikat ang araw, ramdam mo yung calmness ng paligid, no pressure, no rush, just nature and silence. Good morning world, dito sa probinsya ang gising mo hindi galing sa alarm na maingay kundi sa tunog ng ibon at hangin. It feels so natural and peaceful, parang lahat ng stress mo from yesterday unti-unting nawawala. Simple routine lang but it already feels refreshing. Hindi kailangan ng luxury para maging okay ang umaga. Habang naglalakad ako this morning, I can feel the fresh air touching my skin. Ang sarap ng hangin, hindi mainit, hindi stressful, just for nature. Every step I take, I feel more grateful. Kasi not everyone gets to wake up in a place like this. Dati akala ko boring ang probinsya but now I understand. This kind of life is actually peaceful and healing. Yung araw na sumisikat sa likod ng mga puno, yung hangin na dumadaan sa palayan, everything feels so calm and alive. Sometimes we chase too much in life. Money, success, fame, but we forget to appreciate moments like this. Not everything in life is about being rich. Sometimes it's about being peaceful, thankful, and content. Habang nakatayo ako dito, naiisip ko, life is really unpredictable. Minsan mabilis, minsan mabagal, but keeps moving forward. This morning view teaches me one thing. Even life is simple, it can still be beautiful. Sa mga nanonood ngayon, napagod, stressed, or confused, remember this. It's okay to slow down, it's okay to breathe, it's okay to rest. As a small content creator, I'm still learning every day. Hindi man malaki yung channel ko. Ngayon, I believe in growth and consistency. From simple morning vlogs like this, I know one day I can reach bigger dreams. Slow progress is still progress. Kahit mabagal, basta tuloy-tuloy. One day, I hope people will watch this simple video and feel inspired too. Look at this moment, everything feels alive, peaceful, and new. This is your reminder that every day is a fresh start. Kahit anong nangyayari kahapon, today is another chance. Thank you so much for watching this morning vlog. At sana ma-appreciate nyo na simple life dito sa probinsya. Don't forget to support my journey as a small content creator with the big dreams. Simple today, success tomorrow. See you next vlog. Ingat!